What's up, guys? Shabar here, back with another awesome new videos. And in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about the CRM. And what is a CRM? Why do we need to have a CRM in a builder? Like that being said, guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and remember to drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other video you want me to make. Okay, guys, let's get started. Alright, so basically, I'm onto this awesome website. Okay, um, basically, this is an e-commerce website. Okay, so with Quack Builder, you can build any kind of website, landing pages, funnels, our e-commerce store, you name it, any kind of website you want to build, you can build it with Quad Builder. Okay? Alright, like that being said, guys, let's get into it. So, basically a CRM, okay? This we have the CRM up here, and basically what the CRM does, any engagement that happen on your site, it basically gives some information, save the information, so to speak, in your CRM. Okay, so right now this is a totally new website. As you can see in the CRM, there is nothing because it's a totally new website. This is an e-commerce store e-commerce website. As you can see, it have the shopping cart, have some login information, it have a store, etc., etc. Okay, so basically, it is an e-commerce website. All right, so anything you purchase on this website, it will give you information in the CRM. Okay, it will save all those information in the CRM. So any form, anything that fill out on your website, um, like this form right here, this is just a basic newsletter form, but anything you fill out on your website, it will basically go in the CRM. Okay, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna edit this form a little bit more, just to let you see um, how the CRM work. Okay, so right now it have email. I can add a name, and I can add anything that I want. I can add um, on this form. So whenever customer fill it out, I will get these information in the CRM. Okay, and I can say text here, just to let them write a message to me. Okay, so I'm just trying to get some information in there so you can see how it works. And if I save the changes, and I hit view, when I hit view, I can preview the website live, just as how a customer would see it when they just get to the website. Okay, so right now I'm basically seeing this website as a customer. Okay, this over here is the builder view, so I'm making it, but when I view it, I'm seeing it as a customer perspective. Okay, um, please keep in mind too, anything that I fill out, if I said login, it's not gonna let me log in because it's not active. Okay, this website is not active. I just doing it for demonstration purposes. Okay, so what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna scroll down and see if I can find that form, and I'm gonna add some information in and see how um, this work. Okay, so I'm just gonna say Any one of you guys want to contact me via email, you can contact me. This is my personal email that I created. You can contact me with that email, okay? And I can write some message, say, just just something to to see when I submitted the newsletter. And as you can see, it said my newsletter was sent. Okay, so if I go back here to the builder and I come up here to engagement, the CRM, and I click the CRM, as you can see, that information is in the CRM because I just submitted the form. Okay, like I said before, any form that submitted, any products that purchases, or anything that actually happen like an engage on your form will show up in the CRM/engage. Okay, and that stands for engagement. So any engagement made on your site, it will show you here. Okay, so um like that being said, guys, let me just teach you a little bit more about the engagement and how powerful this engagement side of your website is. Okay, so all right, basically this is I just submitted a form. Okay, so if I click the name or the email, whatever, whichever one you click, so if I click the name, you can see it open and it show me some more information. On the left hand side is the details of everything that actually I um uh, I submitted with the, like, such as the information as the details, right? So you can look on the left hand side for the details. Okay, and then you can say show all properties if you want, and it will show you every all the properties such as address, city, etc. But it will only show less. So there is no need to click show all if the details is right there. It doesn't. There's no need to show all because any information that they put in, it will show here. You know what I mean? So you don't have to show all. So for example, if I did on the farm, if I did put zip code, it will say my name, it will say my email address, it will say phone, and then it will say zip code if if that was available on the farm. Okay, so um, whichever way you choose, it's all up to you. You can show all whether or not the same information they submit gonna be there. Okay, um, and you can also tag them. You know what I mean? So you can say if tag them to where you want them to go. If you was doing a membership site, you could tag them to a specific group, etc., etc. Okay, as you can see, you can click here and say create a tag. The tag can be anything that you want. Okay, so you can tag them. For me, I would say builder because you know that's a builder. I would tag them to the builder. But if you're running an e-commerce store, you can say products. You can say You can say product. You can say anything, and you can add more than one tag. You can add as much tags as you wanted, okay? But I'm just gonna delete this one for now. Um, membership. I don't want this to be too much confusing for you guys, so I'm just gonna go back to the main side of it, and I'm just gonna walk you guys through so you guys can understand more better instead of going back and forth with some stuff that you'll be like, oh, what's going on now? Okay, so I'm just gonna try to make it as easy as possible for you guys to understand. Okay, so back again to the basic. If I This is the name and email that's submitted on the website. Okay, and if I click the name or the email, it will open it up. A little bit of information gonna be on the left hand side, and that is the details. Okay, but if I click the name again, it will also open up, and it will tell me the name and email again, and then it will actually tell me, show me the message the customer sent me. Okay, and that's the message right there. Okay, and it will tell you the date and stuff that is submitted up here. Okay, it's also right there, but pay attention mostly over here because this is where the information gonna be. Okay, if I did order a product on the website, it will tell me what kind of product it is and tell me who buy the product, their address, where I should ship the product, etc. Okay, so right here is the information side. And if there's a product, if I click order, I would see the customer name and the product and everything. But there is no order because I just submitted a form. Okay, so I did not buy a product. I did not buy a product such as product, right? I did not buy any product because this site is not active, so it's not gonna allow me to, add product to cart and all that kind of stuff. But I did not buy any product, right? So that is why there's no product, no order in here. Okay, so that's the basic about over here on the right hand side. Okay, if there's a form submitted, you will see the form with the information. If they buy a product, you click this and it will tell you the product with all the necessary information about that product they buy, and you will see the address that you need to ship the product to the customer on this side or from the farm side. Okay, like that being said, guys, let's continue. All right, so this, if I click, we on the left now. If I click this is also another view for you to see the customer information. Okay, and this is helpful because you can use this information to put in your autoresponder. Okay, so the CRM save all the information for you, such as email and all that. So whenever you're ready to follow up with your customer, you can have easy access to download all the contact email to put in your autoresponder, such as Aweber, um, Moose, Send, and MailChimp. Whatever autoresponder you use, this is how you're gonna get all your customer information. Download them in bulk. If you click that button, it will download all the emails for you. As you can see, it's downloading right here, and basically I just have one person, and it's me because I just submitted that form on this website that is not active. There's no traffic going to this website at all. I'm just doing this video for demonstration purposes. Okay, so what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to, do let you guys know everything about the CRM and how you guys can use the CRM to take your business to the next level. Okay, so if it's there's if it's a million people in here, all you have to do just come in here, download, click download one time, and you get your million people in one file. You can upload it to your autoresponder, and you can start send them emails and more promotion for your business. Okay, so next is the settings. All right, so we going down. Okay, so next is the settings. All right, so basically what the setting is like, these are the customer properties. Okay, so basically this is everything that you can use to get your customer information. Okay, such as name, email, phone, address, city, state, zip, country, you name it, it's here. And if it's not here, you can create it. Okay, you can click create, and then you can say, um, uh, I'm just gonna give an example, say phone 2, say phone 2, right? I'm just gonna say second, you know, single line of text available in farm. If you want to put it in the farm, so it's be available in the farm, so you can use it, um, just like this. You can just add it, say phone 1, phone 2. You can do it like if you say available in farm, that will allow that. Okay, and then when you click save, I'm not going to allow that right now, but if you click save, the property will create, as you can see, say phone 2. Okay, so anything that you don't see here, you can create it. You can create it yourself, and then you add it into farm, and it will be available for you whenever you created your new farm. Okay, and like that being said, this right here is completed. So tags, what is tags? Okay, I was talking about tags earlier. So basically, tags, you can tag them to like, say for instance, you have them in a specific group. You can tag them. You can say group one, tags VIP. You know what I mean? You can tag them. Okay, tag the customer according to your company, or to organize them in a specific kind of way. Okay, so basically if you click the tag, you can say create tag, and tag can be anything. You can say um, group group one, and as you can see, group one is there, and you can create as much tag as you want. Group two, you know and you can create as much tag as you want, but I just do that for demonstration purposes. Okay, um, so that's the way all the tags work. Okay, guys, and then next is membership settings. Okay, so sometimes you're on the farm, when they sign up to your website, you can allow the registration. When they um, purchasing a product, you can say, okay, I need them to register. If you don't need them to register, all you have to do is click that off. Okay, and they will just purchase the product. And you will get the information. You ship the product to them, and that's that. But if you want them to register to your website before they purchase the product, you have to make sure this is check, okay? And then you say approve member. If you want to go and manually approve all the members that submit to your website, you can do so by having this box check, okay? I'm just going to click that off. Send email notification and a new registration, okay? So um, I get a lot of complaint about not getting their email whenever someone purchase, and basically is because they did not set up this email. Okay, they send email notification. So if you need notification um, for your website, such as when anyone make a purchase, fill out a form, and so on and so forth. Any action that take on your website, if you need a notification email, all you have to do just come here, click that, and make sure that is on. Then you type the email that you want the notification to send to. So So I'm just going to type that my personal email in, and anybody do anything on the website, this website now, I will get a notification um, from the website saying that someone tried to make a purchase, or they fill a form out, or anything that they do on the site. Okay, so that's the way how to do it. And these are the groups, the groups. Okay, I'm gonna show you about how to create these groups. I'm gonna show you how to create these groups soon. Okay, so basically you have to assign it to a specific group. Okay, right now the group is basic member. Okay, so I'm just gonna click save. Okay, and that's it for the membership settings. All right, guys. All right, so I'm just gonna go back out, and right now all this is completed. Okay, so you learn everything about the settings, the email to follow up with your customer, and now I'm just gonna finish up with with the contact information and the group, etc. Okay. All right, so all contacts. So created last 7 days and created in last 30 days. Okay, so if you click these are just filters that will filter the contacts that here. Okay, so if you have customer that make purchase on your website for the last 7 days or for the last 30 days, you can filter them by clicking that. Okay, and you can say okay 7 days, and then it will filter them and show you the last the this last 7 days purchase. Okay, so these are basically filters, and you can create filters up here. Okay, you can say add a filter, and you can you can create it up here. Okay, and that's pretty much self-explanatory, because all you have to do is click that and say all right 7 days. You can put whatever days you want, months, and you can change it, etc, etc. Okay, I'm not gonna save that either. But on the left hand side right here, you can see the settings. We basically walk through the settings. It's the same thing. If you click settings there, you see the information that I put in, etc, etc, and the group is basic. Okay, and if we say all members, there's no members in this website as yet. No one sign up, no one register. Okay, I just submitted a form, and the form is different from when someone actually register on your website. Okay, and so the groups, remember I was telling you about the groups right here. I said I'm going to show you how to create the groups. So basically this is the group. There is only one group, and it's basic. Okay, and we select it, right here, basic. So how to add more groups to your CRM website. Okay, so basically it's right here. So if you see this little plus, if you click on it, it say add group, and you see it come up and say enter group name. Your group name can be whatever you wanted it to be. Okay, for me, I'm just gonna say VIP group, and I can say add again, and I can say there's a basic group here already. I know we have a VIP group. I can make it and say pro group, etc., etc. You get the drift, right? So that's the way how you create a group for your website. Okay, and if I click settings, and then it said okay, assign to a group, I can say VIP, and I can say pro, or whatever group I created. I can just change it and click save, from there. So that's the way how it works. So basically, guys, that is everything you need to know about the CRM and how to use the CRM to um, take your business um, to the next level. Make sure you manage your customer accordingly. Okay, like make sure you know what order to fulfill, where to ship the products that they buy, etc. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna end this video. It's already too long, but I know it's a lot in the CRM to cover, so that's why I just want to get it out of the way so you guys understand exactly what's going on, and what you need to do in the CRM. Okay, guys, like that being said, I'm just gonna end this video right now. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Also turn the post notification bell on so you'll be the first to know when I release a new video. Like that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.